Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are going to discuss 9 different types of curriculum. Before delving into the types, let's review the meaning of curriculum. A curriculum refers to a well-organized plan that outlines the academic lessons and content of a particular course. It defines the learning standards and objectives of the course, marking the core competencies a student should achieve before proceeding to the next academic level. Let's explore some of the popular curriculum types along with real-life examples. Number 1. Written curriculum, also known as overt or explicit curriculum. This type of curriculum is formally documented and serves as a benchmark for what needs to be taught. For instance, the written curriculum for a high school English literature course outlines the specific texts and literary concepts to be covered. Number 2. Covert curriculum. In contrast to the written curriculum, the covert or hidden curriculum consists of unplanned lesson and unmentioned expectation. An example of covert curriculum is the unspoken lessons on teamwork and sportsmanship learned through participation in a school sports team. Number 3. Subject-centered curriculum. This curriculum type focuses on imparting a specialized knowledge in a particular subject. For example, a university's engineering program offers a subject-centered curriculum to provide in-depth knowledge in various engineering disciplines. Number 4. Student-centered curriculum. A student-centered curriculum prioritizes the learning styles and competencies of individual students. An example is the Montessori education system, which tailors the learning approach to each student's unique needs and learning style. Number 5. Activity-centered curriculum. The activity-centered curriculum engages students through interactive activities to enhance learning and knowledge retention. An example is a science curriculum that incorporates hands-on experiments and demonstration to make learning fun and effective. Number 6. Teacher-centered curriculum. In this curriculum, teachers play a central role in delivering content and shaping students' learning experience. A traditional lecture-based university course is an example of a teacher-centered curriculum. Number 7. Integrated curriculum. This curriculum type integrates 2 or more disciplines, allowing students to apply their learning in one context to another. An example is an integrated science and math curriculum that explores the connection between the 2 subjects. Number 8. Assessed curriculum. The assessed curriculum involves various assessment methods to gauge students' learning. An example is a nursing program that includes assessments such as clinical simulations and presentations to evaluate students' practical skills and knowledge. Number 9. Core curriculum. The core curriculum offers common learning experiences for all students, preparing them to adapt efficiently to society. For instance, general education requirements in universities provide students with a foundational knowledge base to navigate diverse professional and social settings. The diverse range of curriculum types collectively aims to foster the holistic growth of students, catering to their individual needs and preparing them for success in various aspects of life. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.